Perfect. 1, 2, 3. What we reviewing is the height and the lower. It's two dimensions, two different dimensions to that. One is the higher, the suspension one. The pendulum I always talk. The suspension, low suspension. As I always said, the woman have 100% of the weight here. Flex this knee, project, change the flexion, and straighten and generate a connection. All the time the woman does that. But because we cannot dance like that, we do a type of pendulum. The pendulum is in the hips. The pendulum is kind of like a U. I can't say that enough, so we always go to the center. When we do the suspension, is when we really can allow the woman to do adornments. When we go down, is where really she has to stop. The suspension allows her to do adornments, and the coming down allows her to go scanning the beat. For us, it's the same thing. What we call a calicita really is nothing other than the consequence of relocating ourselves. I try to relocate myself because now in the suspension I have Marianne in one leg. So now I divide my body in two, the lower and the higher. The higher part. The higher part maintain, the lower part in the ball of the feet, walk and do different type of movements just to relocate myself. I know she's up, she can do the adornments, and now I can do my game. Anything I want. Look, the speed of Marianne is slow, mine is fast. I can do double time, she can be in the melody of the music. These are the benefits. Relocating, I know she's in this leg, so I can choose my right or choose my left. I can go with the right, or I can go with the left side of Marianne. Doesn't matter if I do one step, two steps, or if I stay here all the time and I go, can do that in yoga all the time. Marianne can do some kind of interesting adornment. Those are the possibilities in the high of the pendulum. The lower, I call it the 50%. Remember 100% projection, 20%, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. Here I have the same thing. I could a cross system to take Marianne to 50% and stop her there. Practically disconnect so I don't contaminate her axis, move around her, and she there's nowhere to go. There's no up, there's no lead, there's the place and the pivoting. When she pivot, she changed the flexion of her knee. I'm going to do it again for you to check the knee of the woman. I just stop her at 50%. The flexion is here. When I change the direction, the flexion passes here. And when I straight, because I'm going up, she collects to receive the new direction, whatever it is. And done. So I'm going to do it again. Now I'm capitalizing, I'm using the lower part. And I can walk and lead her into anything as long as I can use the lower part. I can touch her, I can go. You might wonder if you can do that in close embrace. Yes, you can. And I'm going to show you in a minute. This will allow you to do bunches of things. She is waiting, we connect, we go, we do a barrida. What did I do there? I just capitalizing that 50%, 40%. Look at how simple it is. Marianne is going to be in 50 and 50. I know it's 50 and 50. Then I come here and I put 60 there and 40 is here. When I put 60 there and 40 here, the weight in this leg will allow me to drag her feet at the speed I want. And if I put 70, it's faster. She is waiting. I deposit the weight, and that's it. So a close embrace with a little bit of music, it will look like that.
Llora